Hey guys, we got a package from Moose Toys. From Little Live Pets, it's Squirkies. Seriously, how cute are these? From a world where all things click, flick, tangle, and pop comes Squirkies. Fidget pets full of fun. Like cheeky pop monkey here. How adorable is the puppet booty? I mean, come on. Also love his tail that move his eyes as well. Each of the Squirkies comes to life with a unique interactive fidget feature. Just like Pop 2 Pup here. It stretches. Each of its ears flop up and down, and another interactive tongue to move the eyes. These pets are so fun. Once you pick them up, you just can't put them down, just like Squiggly Snake here. Look at this tongue. I can honestly do this for hours. Don't get me started on the tangled feature. I love this. Now, Squirkies do come in classic single packs, metallic finish 3 packs, and glow-in-the-dark 5 packs. Here we have Clickety Cat. Who doesn't want to boop a cat nose? Also love the features that move the eyes. So we did receive the glow-in-the-dark 5-pack. This one is absolutely my favorite. Say hello to Curly Chameleon. Can we talk about the cute little tongue as well as this tail? I am obsessed. And as I mentioned, this is the glow-in-the-dark pack, so they do all glow in the dark. There are 30 plus to collect across season 1, each with multiple fidget points. Squirkies are available at all major retailers. So which one is your favorite, and will you be picking some up? Thank you so much to Moose Toys for sending us these fidget pets, and I'm pretty sure my kids are going to want more.